Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to study about the topic light, shadow, and reflection. Last class we discussed about what? Light, shadow, and reflection. Okay, of the first part. Now we are going to study about what? The second part of this lesson. Okay. Last class what we discussed about luminous object. What is meant by luminous object? Object like the sun that give out or emit light of their own are called what? Luminous object. Then about transparent, opaque and translucent object. Okay, then about what? Transparent, opaque and translucent object. Okay, ma. Then what exactly or shadow? Then we study about what? Shadow. From where shadow comes. Okay, then now we are going to study about pinhole camera. Okay, have you all heard about pinhole camera? It is a camera, easy way of doing camera. Okay, here there is an activity. First we want to take two boxes of cardboard such that one can slide into another with no gap in between them. So you select a two rectangle shape what? Cardboard, and one should fit into the another without any gap. Okay, cut one side of each box on the opposite face of a large box. Make a small hole in the middle. Okay, see the picture ma, there is a small hole in a box. Okay, then in the small box, cut out from the middle to a square with a side of above 5 to 6 centimeter. First we want to cut what? Round shape hole. Then we want to cut what? Square shape 5 to 6 centimeter box. Okay, cut the small box with what? Square shape 5 to 6 centimeter square shape hole. Then cover this open square in a box with what? Tracing paper. In a small cardboard box, we want to cover the hole with what? Tracing paper. Okay, then observe. Then slide the smaller box inside the larger box with the hole in such a way that the side with the tracing paper is inside. Your pinhole camera is now ready. We fix all the parts, so now the pinhole camera is ready to work. Holding the pinhole camera, look through the open face of the smaller box. You should use a piece of black cloth to cover your head and the pinhole camera. Now try to look at some distant object like a tree or a building through the pinhole camera. Make sure that the object you wish look at through your pinhole camera or in bright sunshine. Okay, move the smaller box forward or backward till you get a picture on the tracing paper. Paste on the end. Okay, till adjust the boxes according to the what? Object present at the distance. Okay, it is clearly available in the tracing paper or not. Okay, then do the picture seen in the camera show the colors of the object on the other side, or the image erect or upside down. Sometimes the image may be downwards. Okay, sometimes not. While seeing the object is downwards. Okay, inverted. Then now let us now imagine about sun with our pinhole camera. We need a slightly different setup for this. We just need a large sheet of cardboard with a small pinhole in the middle. Then hold the sheet up in the sun and let its shadow fall on the clear area. Do you see a smaller circle image of the sun in the middle of the shadow of a cardboard sheet? Okay, we observe the middle of the shadow. There is a round like structure. Okay, circular image of the sun. Look at these pinhole images of the sun. when an eclipse is visible from your location. Adjust your pinhole and the screen to get a clear image. Okay, before the eclipse is to occur. Okay ma, then look at the image as the eclipse begin, then notice the part. Then here there is another one example. Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with large number of leaves, we notice small patches of sunlight under it. It is shadow, right? See the picture ma, we all seen this scene, right? Then pinhole images of the sun, the gap between the leaves act on the pinholes. These gap are all kinds of irregular shape. See the picture, each shadows are of different shape. Okay, but we can see a circular image of the sun also. Okay, then sun when an eclipse occur next, that could be so much fun. Then here is next one activity. Okay, let us use a piece of pipe or a long rubber tube. Then light a candle and fix it on the table at one end of the room. Now standing at the other end of the room, look at the candle through the pipe. Is the candle visible? Bend the pipe a little while you are looking at the candle. Is the candle visible now? Turn the pipe a little to your left or right. Can you see the candle now? What you conclude from this? This suggests that light travels along a straight line while observing. Okay, that's why it is opaque object abstract. It a shadows form. Okay ma. Then the next topic is mirrors and reflection. What is meant by mirrors? We all see mirrors in our home, right? And also reflection using mirror. You look into the mirror and see your own face inside the mirror. What happened? What you see in the reflection of the mirror? Your face will reflect in the mirror, right? We also see reflection of other object also in the mirror. Okay, what are the objects? Tree, building, box, etc. If you place a box in front of the mirror, means the box is visible in the what? Mirror with reflection, right? Then here also one activity. Take page number 112. This activity should be done at night or a dark room. Okay, ask one of your friend to hold a mirror in his hand. Okay, see the picture. One girl is keeping a mirror in her hand. Then cover the glass of torch with your finger or a switch it on. Okay, adjust your finger with the gap between them so that you can get a beam of light. Direct the beam of the torch onto the mirror. Then that your friend is holding. Do you see a patch of light on the other side? It is reflection. Okay, the direction of the torch patch of light falls on another friend standing in the room. It is of what? A reflection. Okay, then activity 8. Here also one example. Fix a comb or one side of large thermocol sheet and fix a mirror on the other side. Okay, then spread a dark colored sheet of paper between the mirror and the comb. See there ma, dark color paper. Then keep this on a sunlight or a send a beam of light from a torch. See here they have used what? Torch. Okay, what you observe? The light travels and reflect from the mirror. Okay, that you observe in this activity. Okay ma, that's all about today's topic. Thank you.